What it do, guys? Back with another video. I got my radiator in, my fans on my radiator, and we are about to do a little wiring this morning. Start wiring everything up. I just want to, make a little short video to let y'all know what I'm about to do and everything. Let me get over here. I'm gonna mount my relay there beside my fan and hook my little fans up. I still haven't got it running yet, so I got a cam swap, so that might be a lot to do with it. And I went and purchased me a HP tuner, and I'm gonna try to do a little tuning with it to get it cranking, to get it started up and everything. I got my that blue and green wire is my fan wire running from my harness, so I'm gonna cut these two red wires off, and I got some blue and green wires. They in my shed. I got some green and blue wire I'm gonna replace these two red wires with, so I know, in the future, which is which. But yeah, guys, this is where I'm at. Oh yeah, and I had to change. I changed my carpet because it already had a wire harness on it. So I just did it. I'm just clean this to break it up pretty good, make it look nice. I just want to put them on there for now to see how everything functions. But yeah, this is where I am. This is where I am, guys. So I'm gonna cut y'all back on in a minute. Once I'm done wiring up everything and show y'all what I did, how I did it. So I'm gonna do this and get back with y'all.